A lot of people don't know that YouTube is not a social media site. What's great, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to properly start a YouTube channel and optimize it for business owners, brand owners, or whether you just want to start a faceless channel. So follow along to this video. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit a like, man, so this can get out to other people who want to do the same exact thing. Now, let's get straight into it, man. Today, I'm going to be creating a YouTube channel for one of my clients that just onboarded, and they do not currently have a YouTube channel. Now, why should you have a YouTube channel if you're a brand owner, business owner, influencer, or somebody that wants to start a faceless channel? I recommend starting a YouTube channel because this is something that a lot of people don't know. A lot of people don't know that YouTube is not a social media site. It just has social media features. It's owned by Google and it kind of works the same way. If I'm looking for something on Google, I'm going to go type that in. If I'm looking for something on YouTube, I'm going to go type that in, and it's going to search throughout the internet and give me things back according to my keywords, right? So that's all SEO is. When you hear SEO, it's like search engine optimization, and the search engine gets optimized through the keywords. So in this video, you're going to watch me create a brand new YouTube channel from scratch, see how I optimize it, and you can literally do the same thing today. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is log into YouTube. All you need is a Gmail account. You want to make sure you log into YouTube. Is going to bring you to the home screen. Now, when I'm at the home screen, what I want to do is look to the left side and come all the way down to settings. When I select settings, it's going to bring me to my account settings. If you don't have a YouTube channel already, you should still be able to access the settings on the side. When you come to the settings back office, you want to hit add or manage your channels. Now, I have a lot of channels here. I have a lot of channels that I manage. Yours may not look like this, but the only thing you want to do here is go to create a channel. So we're going to be creating a channel. This channel, again, is for one of the clients that just onboarded, and they do not have a YouTube channel, which is very, very crucial to their business for getting exposure. YouTube can save you a bunch of money on ads, a bunch of money on paying for marketing. This can give you the most organic visibility that you can find for your business online. And that's second to TikTok. I use these together. Since we're on YouTube today, we're going to be focusing on YouTube. First thing I want to do is I just want to make sure that I have the proper name for my client's business. On create a new channel is going to bring me here to name my channel, and I can name my channel whatever I want. I can add a picture, I can add a handle. For this particular page, we're dealing with Holly Bowls and Bites, which is located in Atlanta, Georgia. I definitely recommend you guys go and check that out if you love acai bowls or if you love healthy eating. Super fire. As you can see, I'm just using the exact name from the business, and don't worry about this. You can change this later. This is exactly what I do, right? So I come in and I create the channel. I don't worry about any of that stuff immediately. I take care of it in the back office. First two things I worry about is the name, and I also worry about the handle. Now you can see we have Holly Bowls and Bites. This channel is made. It's literally done. It's ready to get videos posted on it and everything. But before we do that, what we want to do is optimize the channel. You know, we want to make it look professional. You want to make it look like there's already 100,000 people on here, which is the mindset that I have when I'm going into making these channels, because 10 out of 10 of the accounts that we service, they always blow up. They always blow up. So I'm giving you guys the secrets on how you can do the same exact thing. Since there are no videos, we don't have to worry about managing any videos. The first thing we want to do is customize this channel. Now, when we customize the channel, what it's going to bring us to is the YouTube Studio. This is what allows you to be able to add a banner, add a profile picture, change your names, change your handle, add a description. What I'm going to do is have the assets that I created as the banner. As you can see, here's the banner. Very simple. Go ahead and click done. There's our banner. And then we're going to also add the logo, which is very simple. This right here is the logo, Holly Bowls and Bites. It's literally that simple. What we're gonna also do is come down here and add a watermark for the video. I'm gonna make it the same thing as the logo. You can select however you want it to play for your preference, but I'm gonna have it going through the entire video. Any links, the links that I'm gonna put are this. Let's go to the website, and I'm going to grab this link right here and put official website. I'm telling y'all, it's so simple. This is step one in getting started. Email address, I won't worry about any of that right now. Description, I won't worry about any of that right now. The only reason why I won't worry about it right now is because I didn't want this video to be too drawn out. I just wanted to show you guys exactly how to create a YouTube channel, make it very simple, so you can understand that you can do the same thing whether you're a brand owner, a business owner, or you're looking to start a faceless channel. This is exactly how you're going to do it. Once you are done with that, I want you to look over here at publish at the top right corner, right? If you can see publish in my top right corner, all you want to do is hit publish and your changes will be saved. Now, what you want to do is go ahead and hit view channel. In the top right corner, you want to hit view channel. And when you view the channel, you can see there's my logo loaded. Give it a second. You just have to wait for some of these things to generate, but the banner is going to be up there. Refresh it a few times. If it doesn't pop up, just give it about 10 to 15 minutes. YouTube always takes a second to upload whatever you recently uploaded. Perfect. Very simple. We show some products, the name of the business, Eat Whole, Eat Happy. And there you go. You have a YouTube channel set up for your business, your brand, your products, your services. You have it set up for your faceless account. So very simple. Like I showed you guys, you want to go to settings in your YouTube back office, add and manage channels, add a new channel, name your channel, give it a handle. Very simple. And then this is how you customize it. For anybody watching this video, if you are interested in learning how I do this, learning how to create your own assets like banners and logos and things like that, anything past whatever I did in this video, if you're interested in it, make sure you leave a comment under this video so I can address those in videos or reach out to you one-on-one. What I'm gonna do next is go ahead and start adding assets to this channel like videos, shorts, and descriptions and things like that. But other than that, shout out to Holly, shout out to Holly Bowles, the whole staff. They are amazing people. Whenever you are in Atlanta, Georgia, make sure you stop at Holly Bowles and Bites. But congratulations to Holly. She has a new YouTube channel. You guys can look out for this. It's gonna go viral. Only have a few slots left for anybody that's a business owner or a brand owner or an influencer that's serious and established. Please reach out to me. I'll leave my link in the description for consultations. So before I wrap up this video, I just want to let you guys know like how I got started into doing all of this and you know what led me down this path. And pretty much I've always been dealing with content creation, shooting videos, editing videos, got educated and certified in digital marketing. What this really helped me understand was the opportunity that was out there for me as a content creator and how I could get myself in this space. Being that I understand business, I understand that if you are a business owner and you are established, then you do not have time to understand the algorithm and edit your content and post your content. Is just very difficult to do if you want to continue to have a quality established business. So with me seeing that, I seen how important social media was and content creation was to businesses. Just think about this for a second. If I am going to Arizona or California or Miami and I'm hungry and I want to eat, I'm going to go online and I'm going to search up your business to see if I can see videos or anything like that. Anybody that's gone there and eaten, I'm going to be interested in that, right? I'm going to want to see it for myself. If you don't have that, I may not go with you as an option because I can't see the food or I can't see the product or service. If you're not getting sales right now, or if your business is going slow, or if you're not seeing the results that you want, you just may not have the proper visibility. And that's one of the things that my digital agency can cure for your business or brand. We can help you get more visible. We can help you put out more content. We can make sure all of your social media platforms are optimized and ready to get all of that traffic that you deserve. With that being said, my name is EddyOneTake. All we do is numbers. I'm signing out on this video. Congratulations to Holly at Holly Bowles because they now have a YouTube channel. If you got any questions, concerns, comments, make sure you leave it in the comment. Again, if you want to reach out to me or you want this done for your business, please set up a free consultation. And with that being said, I am out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Yes, sir.